Hello guys, namaste. Welcome back to Android Tricks. Even though smartphone companies seems to be removing the 3.5mm audio jack from their smartphones, there's still a long way to go before we completely abandon them. And I know a lot of you are a fan of 3.5mm audio jack. Even I am. I completely don't like the smartphones which does not offer the 3.5mm audio jack. For example, the Pixel 2. But anyway, 3.5mm audio jack is still there and there are a lot of options in that category which you can buy. So in this video I am going to review the Ant Audio W59 which was sent to me by the company, but as always getting a free unit won't change my opinion about it. So with that being said, let's get started with my review of the Ant Audio W59.
7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh, this you crazy mother.
I'll divide this review into 3 simple parts: design, quality and price to value ratio. And after I am done with this review, I am sure it will help you make that purchase decision if you're planning to buy a new earphones. It is pretty unique when it comes to the design because of its dual drivers. They say it is to carry the low notes and overall deliver the experience which no one else has offered earlier. When I was about to get one, I thought it was a gimmick, but it actually performs very well. Not sure if it's dual drivers doing their work, but yes, it works. The earbuds also have gold plated back which makes it more appealing. The wire is made in such a way that there would be less tangles on them, and I have hardly faced any tangles even after using it the same way I use other earphones. It also has an inline mic which is loud and clear. Overall, the design and the quality of the earphones is very appealing, and I definitely feel it as a premium earphone. Well, the quality is only going to attract you to some extent, but if it doesn't sound good, you're gonna regret your decision. But don't you fear, I am here to your rescue with my review of this earphones, and if this is going to help you out, please make sure to hit that subscribe button. It definitely helps out the channel. The Ant Audio favors the bass using X-Bass technology. It gets really loud thanks to its noise isolation. I have been using this while traveling in local trains, and if I cannot hear the outdoor noise in the train, trust me, these are pretty good. These earphones also don't leak any sound in most silent environment when they are sealed right into your ears. The sonic signature is nicely balanced with clear highs and detailed mids and good focus on the bass like I already mentioned earlier. Even at higher volumes, it managed to give out clear vocals, strong bass without overpowering other frequencies. Talking about the fit, it comes with 3 extra pair of earbuds in which you'll definitely find your sweet spot, and once you get it, it is really easy to do any activities with them around in your ears. They are also light in weight which makes it even better for you to have them around while performing different activities. Talking about the price, well, don't you worry about it, I have got you covered. I have an extra pair of these earphones and I am going to give it to you. I mean one of you obviously. To win this, all you have to do is follow me on Instagram and retweet the tweet which is linked below. It's really simple, follow me on Instagram and retweet the tweet, that's it. Also, if I cross 1500 subscribers on my Instagram account, I'll select another winner and give him 500 rupees gift voucher of Amazon, Flipkart, Play Store, whatever he asks for. So just open your app right now and follow me on Instagram. The username is PatelDharmik14. Coming back to the pricing, it is available for 1200 rupees on Amazon as of now while I uploaded this video. I'll leave the link in the description box below of the latest and the best price available for this earphone, so make sure you check that out. Also, I honestly haven't tried a lot of earphones in this price range, so I cannot compare and give you my review about it. But if you're buying this for 1200, I'm sure they are definitely worth the money. So that's pretty much for this video guys. Don't forget to enter the giveaway by following the steps carefully which I have mentioned earlier. They're also there in the description box below if you want to check them out. So yeah, that's pretty much for this video. See you guys in the next one.